Hi, I'm going to teach you about using Integer Desk. So let's start out with these little notification bubbles. As you can see by a few of the lead names, there's a red bubble with a 1 in it, meaning that there's one notification about them currently in Desk. You want to make sure that your sound is always enabled because then whenever you get a new notification, you'll also hear the alert. So now let's go over to Desk and see what's going on. So you have two calls, one from Harry, one from Emma. Looks like a new intake from John Elton and a note on Audrey Hepburn's file. So now, if you want to mark something as done, you'll just simply hit the green button. So say you already called Harry, you can just mark it as done. And say you need to call Emma, but maybe in 15 minutes you'll have more time. You can go to snooze, select the amount of time you'd like to take. You could also pick a totally different day, anywhere from 15 minutes to 3 months. That's how big of your snooze window is. Even beyond, you could customize it. So then I hit 15 and save. So you can sort leads from newest or oldest. You can look at past leads or upcoming leads or ones that are due right now. You can also search by item type, for example, call. Oh, we're all good on that right now. What about a note? Okay, yes, we have one note. So this is really an organization tool. Desk is meant to be your all-in-one virtual inbox that allows you to never miss a lead, never fall behind on anything or let a notification slip through the cracks. With Desk, everything's here, past and present, so that you can always stay on top of all communication and the whole team can know where you're at with leads. This is a great way to keep your firm looking professional, cohesive, and that's how we designed Desk.